The Farm Adventure. Once upon a time, on a big farm, many animals lived happily together. The dog liked to run and play. The dog was friends with the cat. The cat liked to chase mice. The dog and the cat played together in the barn. The horse ate grass in the field. The horse was strong and liked to run fast. The pig lived in the mud. The pig liked to roll in the mud and say, "Oink." The birds sang songs in the trees. The birds' songs made everyone happy. The duck swam in the pond and said quack. The duck was friends with the cow. The cow ate grass and gave milk. The parrot lived in a cage and could talk. The parrot said funny things. The fish swam in the pond. The fish were colorful and liked to play. The hen clucked and laid eggs. The hen was proud of her eggs. The frog jumped around the pond. The frog was good at jumping. The mouse ran around looking for food. The mouse was quick and smart. The snake moved quietly in the grass. The goat climbed hills and ate grass. The donkey carried heavy things for the farmer. The donkey was strong and helpful. The sheep ate grass and had soft wool. The sheep was gentle and kind. The turkey walked around and showed its feathers. The rabbit hopped in the garden and ate carrots. The rabbit was cute and fast. The rooster crowed every morning to wake everyone up. The rooster was loud and proud. The tortoise moved slowly but surely. One day, the animals decided to go on an adventure. They wanted to explore the forest near the farm. The dog led the way, running ahead. The cat followed, looking for mice. The horse galloped through the trees, and the pig rolled in the forest mud. The bird flew high and sang songs. The duck waddled along the path, and the cow walked slowly. The parrot talked to everyone, making them laugh. The fish stayed in the pond, but wished the others a good adventure. The hen clucked and laid eggs in the forest. The frog jumped from leaf to leaf, and the mouse found new places to explore. The snake slithered quietly, and the goat climbed rocks. The donkey carried supplies for the trip. The sheep found soft grass, and the turkey showed its feathers to new friends. The rabbit hopped quickly, and the rooster crowed to keep everyone together. The tortoise moved slowly, but enjoyed the journey. The animals discovered a beautiful clearing with flowers and a small stream. They played and rested there, happy to be together. After their adventure, they returned to the farm, tired but happy. All the animals were friends and enjoyed their days on the farm.